Hey guys, Mike here. I got some cherry here, all rough sawn stuff, 6 inches wide. I need to plane down this side and one of the sides here. Yeah, this would be better, the bottom at the moment. And cut them into about 5/8. It's basically for a wedding ring box. So something where we're gonna have a 2-year-old that holds a small box with 2 wedding rings in it, and we'll have a little cover on it. And we were looking at something bigger with a kind of a log. We thought, well, this is going to be a little too big for a 2-year-old. So anyway, we're going to cut this into like a little 6-inch by 6-inch by 5/8 pair of those. And it'll be a little lid with a heart-shaped lid. So anyway, that's what we're up to. Gonna take care of this right now, and I'll get the video focused down on here in just a moment and catch up to you then. Okay, since that cherry is really rough sawn, I'm going to adjust the depth on this. Get it down to 1/16. I think it's at 1/32 now. So it's got some carbide cutters in there, but I mean it's definitely a benchtop class jointer, and going beyond the 16th really isn't a good idea, especially with something 6 inches wide. So anyway, just doing what it's capable of, and not pretending it's beyond that. Okay, we got that as nice as we're going to get for now. And since I got this big cut here, I'm going to go ahead and take off that edge. I'll lose that anyway. Okay guys, like I said earlier, I only need about a couple 6-inch pieces out of here, and it's 6 inches wide, so we're just gonna, oh, well, that kind of spot's a little shot, so I think we're just gonna get from right here. So pull out 2 pieces there, and oh shoot, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll think about this for a minute. Hey guys, as you can see, this board needs some help. It's 2¼ inches wide at its narrowest spot here. This is almost 3 inches, so we're going to go and lop it off, trim it down to 2¼ inches wide, and then I'm going to need about 7/8. I actually need a final width of 5/8. So I'm just going to cut it at 7/8 twice. It'll leave me a little tiny sliver that I'll do nothing with, but it's kind of how it goes. So anyway, let's go ahead and get this started. Okay, got that out of there. That came out real nice. Still have our jointed edge over here, so we're going to go ahead and move this fence to 1 inch and then split this in half. I should be right at 2 inches total. Yep. All right, got the fence reset to 1 inch. Going to go ahead and split this in half. Not knowing exactly where a good piece of wood's going to come from, I'm going to leave a lot of extra space on it. And like I said, I just need 2 6-inch strips out of the middle here, and I want them to be book matched so we can have the top and bottom to this little heart-shaped wedding ring box. Here we go. I'm going to get the saw going first, and then get the shop vac going. All right, guys, let's see how this came out. Really nice. Okay, good. Just going to go ahead and plane that stuff down, get it to the right thickness. We've got plenty of interior stuff here. Looks like that ended pretty quickly, which I'm happy about. Doesn't show up here at all. All right, excellent. Going to move on to the next step here.